welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new and you're just seeing me for the first time. I love to create content like this because it just creates awareness. I also do this to monitor the price change here in the UK. Alright, so to my OGs, this video has been missing on my timeline for God knows how long, but it's back now, and it's been a while since I've done bulk shopping. So we're back now and we've been to 3 stores. We've gone to my OG trusted store, we've gone to Farm Foods, we've gone to Lidl and Asda. Alright, so the majority of everything we got today is from Farm Foods, and this is for my family of 4, just in case you're new. You know that Farm Foods is one shop I do not skip on. Every single month I go there because I not only get things at a discounted rate, I also get what? Cashback on everything I purchase. Alright, so in Farm Foods I spent a total of £142 and I got cashback of £10. So if you get coupons in your letterbox or via your email, you can just register on the website, on Farm Foods website, and you get the vouchers sent to you every single month, and that's what you can leverage on to get money back. So everything I bought from Farm Foods in short was £132 and not £142. Okay, we also went to Asda and I picked up only 3 things. I picked up croissants, milk and 1 phyllo dough because I want to make spring rolls this month, and I spent £24.95, so almost a total of £25 there. And the last store I went to was Lidl and I spent £24.39. So this month's shopping doesn't have everything in it because I have some things that have spilled over from last year. I have some things that have spilled over from last month's shopping as well, and also this small shopping that we'll be doing from side to side. Alright, so let's get into today's video. First off, I have this pack of Finish Ultimate Plus dishwasher tablets, and this is by far the most expensive one that we have gotten so far. Please ignore all the dishes in the sink. Yeah, but it gives the best results and it leaves less residue on the plates. We picked up 2 crates of eggs, and these are the 12 free-range eggs. I always check my eggs before I leave the store. Pro tip. Alright, I also got 2 packs of brownies. I want to make some brownies for the boys this month or this week because I'm off for the next 2 days, so I should be able to make brownies for them. I got 2 packs of them. All you just need to do is add water, eggs and oil. So yeah, 2 packs should be sufficient, more than sufficient in fact. I also got some garlic powder for seasoning. I'm running low on some of my seasoning here. I need to top them up. But anyway, I digress. Avocados, I picked up 2 of that. I only have 1 left. I've been loving this for some years now. I used to eat it initially. Anyway, we got 2 packs of what are these called? Easy peelers. Okay, I think we call them tangerine, but we call them easy peelers here. We got some banana. This one I'm going to freeze some because I don't eat bananas as fast as my boys, so if I don't eat what I want on time or take what I want out of it, they'll finish it. I also got a pack of cashew nuts. This has been a craving of mine of late. I just love to snack on these. I got a pack of finger chilies. These are the green chilies. I love to make spices with them. I love to marinate meat with them as well. Very, very good. I got some long peppers and some snack peppers. I just blend this up and make pepper mix with all of them. I got this bag of sweet seedless peppers. I don't know who told them to remove the seeds, but here we are. 2 of them. I also got some onions for pepper mix, for cooking and marinating, whatnot. I got some sardine, and these are the ones in vegetable oil. I got about 6 of them because my boys love sardine, and I also like to make fish sauce with them as well. My husband picked up this evaporated milk. He likes them. Me, if I don't see milk in this house, nothing will happen to me. But he loves evaporated milk. My boys don't like it as much. But yeah, we got these are the ones from Farm Foods. We also got a large jar of Hellmann's mayonnaise because I have salads that I have to make this month. healthy fit farm, most fit farm this month. I'm losing weight, guys. I'll give you updates on that one later. Anyway, we got some tomato ketchup. I like to buy the small tubs because I noticed that when I get the bigger bottles, they go rancid before the boys finish them. So I just picked these 2 small bottles for the boys. We got some chicken tenders. I got 2 hot and spicy ones, and then 1 just plain one. This one are just the crunchy ones. My husband picked up this one. I don't really fancy it, but my boys love it. This is my indulgence. These are the ones that I got for myself, so I picked up 3 of them. I think it was 3 for £10 for this. I got them in different flavors. So this one is the fishy food. This one is spectacle love. What did I pick, for God's sake? And cookie on cookie dough. Continuing with my Fit Farm, I got some dragon fruit. These were 3 for £6. So I picked up 2 dragon fruits, 2 mangoes, 1 pineapple, and 1 blueberry. I still have some from last month, so I'll just be making some with this. I want to make smoothie bowls as well. So continuing with that, I got some freezer bags. So picked up 2 different types because I want to portion up some of the meats that I bought. I got some pasta. These are the fusilli pasta. This is by far the best pasta that they like, apart from spaghetti. They like this one next. I got some phyllo dough. This is the phyllo dough I was telling you guys about. I want to make spring rolls with them. I hope it's the right one. But yeah, we'll see what we get from them. But either way, I will still be using it up. I got some hot chocolate for the boys. They're running low on the one they have already. I got some Ribena for sports day and just for, because we don't buy Fanta or Coke or whatever. So this is what the boys have. I just dilute a little of this from time to time. And yes, if you're new here, this might surprise you, but the OGs know that this is how we buy bread in this house. So this is the only kind of bread that they like at the moment. They've gone off the chocolate one. So we got 5 of these, 5 croissant breads, croissant, 5 croissant breads. Let the French people not come out take my jugular. All right, so this is the milk that my boys take. This is the long life whole milk, and this is the one we get from Asda. You can also get this in Morrison's, because we get this in Morrison's sometime. I think Morrison's used to sell this for £5 and change. Price will be on the screen anyway. So yeah, we got a pack of this. We just always decant that in the bottom there. We only have 1 left, so that is that. We also got 2 packs of cod fillets, and this I'm going to be making battered fish this month, so I needed this one. These ones have been deskinned and deboned. All right, so I got 2 packs of that. I'll also be making fish sauce with them as well. My favorite here, chicken wings, and this is the part, this is the cut I love. I love this middle cut because it's ever so delicious. If you love turkey wings, you will love this chicken wing. And I like that it doesn't fall apart. I like that it doesn't fall apart in the sauce or in the stew or whatever. So yeah, I got 2 of these packs here. And then last but not the least, I got prawns. These prawns, I used to get them for £19 per pack, and this has by far been the most consistent thing in farm foods. And this is the extra large bag. This is still £19. The only thing is now £19.90, so it's £19.90. So you have the option to either take 1 for £19 or take 2 for £30, and you know that I cannot be stupid, so I picked 2 packs. Anyway, that is what we got. Like I said, it's not the whole thing, but this is basically what we need for this month, because I still have all of my grains and flour, so for like stir fry and all of that. I have some vegetable spinach. I have some spinach and some lettuce that I bought last week and I still haven't used. It's all in the fridge. so I didn't need as much. So all of this was less than £200, and that's just from 3 stores. And this is basically what we need for the month of March going forward. So we'll probably go back for more bread and, you know, maybe eggs and things like that. So yeah, but anyway, let's put all of this away.
While I work, I like to accompany myself with something to watch, and I'm currently binge watching second series of The Recruit on Netflix. I just used that while away time while I put away all the groceries. I know I said I was going to portion up all the meats, but when it came down to it, I was not in the right frame of mind. So I just found what space I could find in this freezer, and I just stuffed all of the things that I was able to at the top of it. I usually move things from the top to the bottom, but strength and power was not available on this particular day. Anyway, I'm moving on to the pantry section, and I'm just going to take out the one milk that we had left, and I'm just going to stuff that on the second layer while I leave all of the fresh milk at the bottom, so we know whoever is making breakfast for the boys in the morning knows to use the first one first, and that goes for the rest of the other things. So I'm done with all the sardine I had from previous months, so I'm just putting the fresh ones in front. I'm also stacking away all of my husband's milk. I'm decanting the onions as well. I just realized that I forgot to buy garlic, which is very strange, but a couple of days after I went out to get garlic, and yeah. So I don't know, is anyone else like me? Do you like to have everything, or do you like to buy as you go? Personally, I would say that this is one way that I've been able to keep track of what food items we have in the house. I also sometimes go by, you know, a weekly shopping, and I'm just used to the monthly shopping. So no matter how long I go on the weekly shopping, I just find myself going back to bulk buying, because it's sort of what I've been used to since I was very young. So while I was putting away all the groceries, I was done with season 2 of The Recruit, and I moved on to The Night Agent. It's quite interesting if you like to find out what goes on with, you know, the White House, or, you know, corporate espionage, or just, you know, if you like series like this, I recommend it, highly recommend it. Anyway, cleaned out my surfaces, and I'm going ahead to prepare my breakfast. This is roughly around 2 in the afternoon, and this is sort of what my day looks like. Even on days when I'm on the early shift and I come back home around 3 in the afternoon or 2:30 thereabout, I usually have my first meal of the day around this time. Anyway, thank you so much for spending the day with me. Thank you for coming along on this month's grocery haul with me. I will see you guys in the next one. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Bye guys.
3 days later.
Happy Sunday, guys. Along go man busy baby.
Oh, beer that. One more.
Take 2. Happy Sunday, you guys, and welcome back to the vlog. Say happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
This only happens once in a blue moon, so take it as you see it. Take it. Take it as you see it. See, you guys, we came back from the shops. What did I buy? I went to the African store for the first time this year, and I almost embarrassed myself. At the end of the whole purchase, I had to ask them, is this everything? Because why will I buy items in this bag for £64? Quick unboxing. Oh no, this is it. Oh. Everything like this for £64. Well, actually, this is missing 6 packs of chips and 1 bottle of malt. That's it. That's what it's missing. So we bought, this is what we went there for actually. We bought the doodle also. This is the one that everybody uses. Then I saw this one. I said that this would be good to make soup. Let me buy one. I bought it. I also saw the white crayfish, so I bought one. I need another load of garlic, so I bought this whole pack. Some of them are starting to sprout, but it doesn't matter. I will remove everything from the peel, save the peel, make spices with the peel, and also freeze up the garlic. And I'll have garlic for like 2-3 months. I bought these 2 packs of no seasoning. This is the crayfish one. This one is good for like our local soups and things like that. And I also got this one for, you know, like jollof rice and other things. So yeah. I bought this curry powder. I hope it's the correct one because I don't know. It's not looking like what I should have bought. I think I should have gone for the mild one. Yeah, so we bought 2 of this. They've already had one in the car. I bought oloye beans, and this is 4 kg. Yeah. Beans must not finish my house. And then finally, I got this ginger drink. So yeah, that's everything I bought. So when the lady told me the price, I looked at her and I said, is this everything? Honestly, I can't believe it. The most expensive thing there is the beans. Beans was almost £19, was £18.99. And the next expensive thing was the noodles, which was £6.95. So that's like £7. So where exactly are we getting this £63 from? So each of these no seasoning packets were like £4.99, so like £5 each. See, it is well. Verily we will be fed. I think I'm going to have to stop looking at receipts at this point. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I want to end this vlog for shopping here. But anyway,